Welcome back to another one of our Ecobee how-to videos. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and operate a humidifier from your Ecobee thermostat. The only way to do that, if your thermostat is capable of doing so, is to reconfigure it because it has to be set up during the initial setup sequence. The way you would do that if you were adding onto an existing system is you're going to go into your menu, scroll down to your settings, select your installation settings, your equipment, and reconfigure. Usually doesn't take too long to get there, but once we're there, it's going to have you get started, and you're going to go through all of the power-up things that have already been discussed in a previous video. This is the screen where it asks if we have an accessory installed. If we do have an accessory installed, we're going to tell it humidifier. It's going to ask what kind of humidifier we have in the home. Again, if you're not sure, these always give you more information if you select that icon. Typically, every thermostat you're going to see around here is going to be evaporative. And you'll note that now you've reconfigured your system and you do have a humidifier included in here. So it's going to give you three things in this. First, if you needed to, you're able to change your humidifier type. It's also going to ask you your minimum runtime delta. To reduce short cycling, the humidifier runs beyond the desired humidity by the selected amount. And then window efficiency. So this option specifically just prevents moisture from accumulating on the windows in the winter. That way it prevents possible mold issues. You're still able to create your own set points for targets, but in this case it's defaulted to 2. At this setting, the maximum humidity permitted is 21% if the outdoor temperature is 12 degrees. Essentially, it's saying the colder it is, the lower it's going to allow the humidity to be. This is because the higher the humidity in the home and the colder it is outside, the more likely you are to have that sweating, that condensation forming on your windows. As far as turning on your humidifier, if you go into your menu and your system, it gives you the option for humidifier. We're going to go ahead and select on, and this is where it allows us to select our desired humidity level. 35 to 60% is considered healthy. As far as achievable, typically up to 45% is achievable during the colder winter times. It's a comfort thing just like temperature, so might need to be played with a little bit, but we usually start homeowners at around 40%. You can see Ecobee typically recommends 36.